Earthquakes. These tremors, ranging from barely perceptible shivers to violent ground-shattering upheavals, remind us of the immense power hidden beneath our feet. They are a stark reminder that our planet is a dynamic, ever-changing entity. We build our lives on its surface, often unaware of the forces at play deep within. Earthquakes strike suddenly, without warning. One moment the world seems steady and unchanging, the next the ground beneath us surges and rolls like waves on a stormy sea. Buildings sway, windows shatter, and the earth itself cracks and groans. The experience can be terrifying, leaving an indelible mark on those who have lived through it. These events are not random acts of chaos. They are the result of the slow, relentless movement of Earth's tectonic plates, the massive jigsaw pieces that make up our planet's outer layer. These plates grind against each other, building up immense pressure along their boundaries. When this pressure exceeds the strength of the rocks, it is released in a sudden, violent burst of energy, an earthquake. Understanding earthquakes, their causes, and their effects is crucial for us to coexist with this planet we call home. By learning about these phenomena, we can better prepare for their inevitable occurrence and mitigate their impact on our lives and communities. Earth's outermost layer, the lithosphere, isn't a solid, unbroken shell. It's fractured into massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, albeit incredibly slow, driven by the heat churning within Earth's mantle. Think of a pot of boiling water. The heat causes the water to move in swirling currents. Much like the mantle's heat drives the movement of tectonic plates. Where these plates meet, we find fault lines, zones of weakness in Earth's crust. As the plates push against each other, immense pressure builds along these faults. Imagine pressing your hands together, feeling the force build between them. This is similar to the pressure building at fault lines. Eventually, the rocks can no longer withstand the strain. They break, releasing a burst of energy that travels through the earth as seismic waves. This is what we experience as an earthquake. The point within the earth where the rock ruptures is called the focus or hypocenter of the earthquake. The point on Earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter. Seismic waves radiate outward from the focus like ripples spreading from a stone dropped in a pond. These waves cause the ground to shake, leading to the destruction and devastation associated with earthquakes. Earthquakes release energy that travels as waves through the earth. Scientists use seismographs, sensitive instruments that detect these waves, to measure the magnitude of an earthquake. The Richter scale, a logarithmic scale, is a common way to express an earthquake's magnitude. Each whole number increase on the Richter scale represents a tenfold increase in wave amplitude and about 31.6 times more energy release. A magnitude 3 earthquake might be felt as a slight tremor, while a magnitude 7 earthquake can cause widespread damage. The largest earthquakes ever recorded have exceeded magnitude 9, causing catastrophic destruction and loss of life. The impact of an earthquake depends not only on its magnitude, but also on its depth, the distance from the epicenter, and the local geological conditions. Earthquakes don't always occur in isolation. Foreshocks, smaller earthquakes, can precede a larger main shock. Aftershocks, smaller earthquakes that follow the main shock, can continue for days, weeks, or even years. These aftershocks can cause further damage to already weakened structures, posing a significant risk to rescue and recovery efforts. Section 4. The Aftermath. Earthquake's impact. Earthquakes leave a trail of destruction in their wake. Buildings crumble, bridges collapse, and roads crack, rendering transportation and communication networks useless. The ground can split open, swallowing homes and cars. Fires may erupt, fueled by ruptured gas lines and downed power lines, adding to the chaos and devastation. The human cost of earthquakes can be immense. Thousands, even millions of people can be injured or lose their lives. Homes are destroyed, leaving survivors displaced and vulnerable. The psychological impact can be profound, as the trauma of the experience and the loss of loved ones leave lasting scars. The economic repercussions of earthquakes are far-reaching. Rebuilding damaged infrastructure and providing aid to those affected require significant resources. Businesses may be destroyed, leading to job losses and economic hardship. The impact on a region's economy can be felt for years, even decades, as communities struggle to recover and rebuild. Section 5. Preparing for the inevitable. Technology and education. While we cannot prevent earthquakes, we can prepare for them. Advancements in technology play a crucial role in understanding and mitigating the impact of these events. Scientists use sophisticated monitoring systems to track seismic activity, analyze data, and identify areas at high risk. This information helps in developing building codes and infrastructure designed to withstand earthquakes. Early warning systems, though still in development, hold promise for providing precious seconds to minutes of warning before an earthquake strikes. This time can be crucial for individuals to take cover, for automated systems to shut down critical infrastructure like gas lines and power grids, and for emergency responders to prepare for the impending disaster. Education is paramount. Teaching people about earthquake preparedness, including how to react during an earthquake and what to do afterward, can save lives. Public awareness campaigns, school curricula, and community drills all contribute to creating a culture of preparedness, equipping communities to respond effectively and recover quickly. Section 6. Conclusion. Living with Earth's unpredictability. Earthquakes are a testament to the powerful forces that shape our planet. They remind us that we live on a dynamic, ever-changing world. While we cannot control these forces, we can strive to understand them, prepare for their inevitable occurrence, and mitigate their impact on our lives. Through scientific advancement, technological innovation, and public education, we can build more resilient communities, capable of withstanding the tremors that shake our world. The key lies in acknowledging the unpredictability of our planet, respecting its power, and coexisting with its rhythms. Earthquakes are a fact of life on Earth. By understanding and preparing for them, we can navigate the shaking grounds with greater resilience and hope.